Finally, from testing room to oath-taking convention hall. Oh my God, so beautiful! And again, congratulations man sa mga fellow nakon nga mga inductees this June 30, 2024 here in the beautiful city of Iloilo.
Good morning, everyone. So, good morning, guys. So, we just woke up and amo ning aton view, no. Diri sa tubangan sang amon ginatulugan. Okay, bongga. Ari kami actually sa may 4th floor. Tas taas. But the view is so dramatic. Kay wala lang. And we're about to prepare na, guys, no? For today is a special day for us. Taking ceremonies. Panami sa view ko. Dito kami makadto karon sa may ICC or sa Icon. Yung natawag sa may Mega World. Ayun. Lapit lang man dito mga 4-minute nga travel. Okay, see you later. So bago lang kita guys, no, breakfast. Subong, I will try to check this area. Ang bike lane siya tawag. Already kakadlagat. Kaya ako. Pasensya guys, ikagaot sa truck. So kanami, guys, so kanami isang namin jogging. Dire nga part. Para amon ginatulugan guys, oh. Ara siya na. Bibit-bit kung tinapay. Kay balon lang. Sulod sa bag. So kanami di guys, so run. Jogging. And then muna na siya. See you later in few hours. And everyone, ari na kita diri no sa the beautiful Iloilo Convention Center here in Mega World in Iloilo City. And finally, ari na ta guys no. We'll be attending the oath-taking ceremony in few hours. While we're waiting no nga matapos ang batch 1, masunod man kita. But before we proceed inside the convention center, gusto ko lang i-appreciate the beautiful Iloilo Convention Center. This is actually my first time to visit this beautiful place here in Iloilo City. Kahit wala man ako yung nagalagaw. Kadamo man no, sa mga building sa palibot. Prano pa, may mga isa pa kami ka oras ang mag picture kag maglagaw-lagaw diri. And ara guys, kadamo na sa mga nagabantay nga mga inductees diri sa Sagwa while waiting for our turn 11 AM. So time check. It's already 9 in the morning, so we have to be prepared naman, no, at least 1 hour before the registration. So kadamo, charan, di ba? Saya. Alam mo ako, mga spike. Anyway, so I will be touring you, no, sa ibang pagid nga parte diri later sa may Iloilo Convention Center. Pasok ka init, tapos kadamo pasang dalak. Anyway, kadamo sa mga pabuki-buki ni Mayor. So balik ko to anay guys sa akon nga ruta dito sa Piak. Pa-picture man kita. And I cannot show you subong sa akon nga outfit. But karon na i-post ko lang sa Facebook. Everyone, so we will start. Sa libot-libot na rin natin. Kaya wala pa man kasugod ang registration. Ara guys, so kadamo sang garland. Actually, I have my garland sama. May garland ako nga gimbak. May nag-sponsor garland sa akon. Di ba?
Wow, yes.
Hi. Wait lang, may question ko sa inyo. Are you excited? Are you all excited?
Yes.
Yes, we are excited. Paano excited, be? Paano tsura sa excited? Ay. So, while we are waiting, guys, no, sa aton nga registration, libot na lang kami, anay. Puda mga top-notcher. So, we are here sa my Iloilo Convention Center, everyone.
beautiful place, beautiful convention, event center here in the City of Love, Iloilo. And bongga. Ang mga outfitan sa amon, mga upo diri subong. Para icon. Kasi ilaw guys ha, please bear with my video. Medyo masilaw. Pero, iban balaga linya, nabala ko kita lang ang wala linya. O, diba? Kasi ilaw, mama nagaling. Rose? Kadamo, nasa kalaban, nasa linya. Actually, mapapicture kami dito guys. Diri haraanan, charan. Taking ceremony. O, diba? Bongga. Bongga, diba? And guys, adamo, sa mga mapapaindak, subong. Professional teachers. Here in the City of Love, Iloilo. Hi. Picture. Ato, may isang... Ay. So, mo siya guys, so medyo malaba ng linya while we're and rin na kami guys, no, galinya na para magsulod for our registration, diba? Super init, laba-laba kalinya guys, hasta to hasta pag ito sa punta man So, pasulod na kami guys, no, sa venue. So, hindi man basta-basta makasulod ka, kadamo-damo. So, iba na ito na sa sulod. Nag-ako na sa ilang mga program or souvenir program. And then, ang ilang pin. Okay. Sorry na guys. Wrong turn kami ginangapertahan. So, hamon isang bagong entrance for the inductees. O, diba? Yung mga zombie kami. But it's all worth it. O, diba? Damo-damo. Tcharan! Sorry na guys. Baka na kami isang program. And then, sa amon nga pin, this is it. And masulod na kami guys. Dito sa sulod. For the ceremonies. Lapit na lang. Sorry, ito nga ticket. Wala may nawa ka man. Tcharan! Okay. Okay na guys. Masulod na kami sa hindi na ako kamalabagamba because I'm excited for the hi guys ari na kadamo-damo samon tan okay, biglang vlogger yung lahat ng tao dito. Vlog in the vlog. Okay, ay sirado pa parang papungko na ay, abi ko hindi ta pagpasadlon. Ngayon isla na gan. Buliskad lang Okay, so here we are na everyone. Yes. Yay! Finally! From testing room to oath-taking convention hall. Oh my God, so beautiful! And again, congratulations man sa mga fellow nakon nga mga inductees this June 30, 2024 here in the beautiful city of Iloilo. Ta-da! Here we are for our processional march. Ay, bongga. Sorry na guys, no. Artist sa tubangan. Good thing, arikit sa tubangan lapit sa my stage. Oh my God. Okay. Congratulations, fellow inductees, fellow licensed professional teachers. And we received na guys, no, sa aton nga pin for the oath-taking later on, and also our souvenir program. Charan! And then, this magazine from PRC. Tara guys, so kaso hindi siya may makapture. Ara, charan! From PRC. Alright guys, so finally, dalang get excited. Ara, nakita ko na pangalan ko. Licensure exam for professional teachers. So, examinees, Tan 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 tan. Number 9, lucky number number 9. Charan. Araw. Diba? Ang saya-saya.
Today, we celebrate the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Our new professional teachers have shown exceptional commitment to their education and have now earned the privilege to join the noble profession of teaching. Likewise, to all the guests, we are from the Central Philippine University, rank number 9, Ms. Cheterin Wayan Baez. Next are the school officials of the top performing schools. Inductees from the province of Aklan, please give them a round of applause. Thank you, inductees. Next are the inductees from the home of Minerayan Festival from the province of Antique. Thank you. How about those from the province of Capiz? Alright, thank you. From the home of Sweet Mangoes, the province of Guimaras.
Mark, kakaliba.
Halin sa puluyan sa mga kapinalanggaon ng mga Ilonggo from the province and the city of Love, the province of Iloilo.
Good, amo.
And also we have from the province of Negros Occidental and the city of Smile, Bacolod. Okay, marami rin, no? So we are also from the Central Philippine University, our 9th placer, with a rating of 90.80%, Ms. Cheterin Wayan Baez. May I also request the family of Ms. the College of Education, Central Philippine University, Dr. Marilyn Melonsay, to join her here on stage. Place in the licensure examination for professional teachers elementary level, given the professional regular.
Are you a panic? And creating. Okay, we got it. And that's it, everyone. Tapos na mo taking ceremonies and we're just about to leave na the Iloilo Convention Center. And thank you so much for tuning in, for watching sa ating videos right here from the City of Love, Iloilo. Once again, guys, thank you for watching and continue to be sunshine to everyone. Goodbye. Thank you, Git. Thank you, ma. Okay.